Yo, this song's going out to Sanjeev.
Yes, sir. Turn that bloody
YG.
music down.
Another boys over in Maningam, yeah?
Turn it down.
I never had a curry like you before, and
Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a FIFA 15 pack opening. Why FIFA 15? Because my FIFA 16s on in my old house. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a pack opening. Also guys, this is my new channel, so if you're new, subscribe and let's get on with the game. Okay, so the trick is with this. Considering I'm getting a capture card soon, I'll be plugging it into my telly and I'll get a thing then. But for this video, I'll just have to, like, whoever I pack, I'll have to put the camera towards the telly and show you who I've got. Okay, so let me just have a look at the team. Alright. Okay, sorry about that guys, my camera cut out, so it kind of mucked up the thing now. So I'm about to go into the pack now and to see what I get. I mean, jeez. No way. Oh shit! Inform Kagawa already, man. Right, okay, I'm just gonna show you this. Okay, let me just grab the controller. Right. Inform Kagawa already. I mean, and Remy. Wait, let me just put the controller down. No, you won't believe this if I told you. Right. Okay, let's just. There we are. Look at that. Shirari. 2 informs in. Oh my god, this is insane. Oh, Shirari and Kagawa. Oh my god. Okay. So this one. Oh shit. No. Shit. I've actually just packed him. Thiago. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's do another one. Okay. Not. I've just got bar. 85 rated bar. This is an absolute piss take. Alright guys, look at that. Bar. He goes for that much. Look at him. Look at him. He's like Benteke, but like better. He's like, Jesus Christ, man. Oh my. Okay, so just open another one and another one. Okay, I can't believe. Oh my god, I've got like 4 rares in a row, man. What is it now? Kagawa, El Shaarawy. Let me just open another pack. I don't care, I just got someone shit. But I got someone good as well. This is insane. So I've had 6 packs, because I packed Cahill and Terry in the same pack. Which is okay, there's chemistry link there, but like, I just packed fucking Verratti. Jesus Christ. This has actually been the best pack opening ever, I think. Okay, so. Shit, it goes for 500k. Okay, let me just open another one. Okay, that was shit. That was absolute. I'm surprised I didn't get. Wait. yeah, that was really shit. That's really bad. I've got silver in the pack. Okay, let me open another one. Okay, it's opening now. Oh no, we got fucking thingy. Yep, photo. Yep, I knew that. I knew that happened. Yep, 10 points. Shit. Yeah. Oh, no, fuck off. Okay, so yeah, I would like to open a 15k pack. Okay. Okay, I just got the exact same player in my duplicate. That's a push take. Okay, right, let me grab my controller. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. 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 Oh crap. Check that out. Neymar. 90 pace. 82 shooting. Oh god. I'm actually really happy at the moment. I must have made like about 3 million right now. Okay. Okay, no, that was just... No, I don't want that player. Okay, let's open another pack. Okay, that's shit. Come on. Just saying, guys, it's opening now. Come on. Give me, like, fucking Ronaldo or someone. I'll be so happy. Oh, keep me informed, Walcott. 82 rated, 97 pace. Ah, my fucking foot. Ah, that actually hurt. Okay, so, yeah. So, yep. I've actually just got fucking Walcott. Okay. Just saying, guys, my leg really hurts right now, so I'm fucked. Oh, cool, he goes for like fucking 200k. I never even knew that. Okay. Shit! He's extinct. Okay, guys, I'm gonna actually show you what I got. I haven't sold him yet. So, okay, forget the silver, like, badge or whatever that is, and, Lahm, and Benzema. Just look. I packed El Shaarawy, Kagawa, Thiago as well. So, I'm actually really happy. And I'll just show you the next page what I got. Yeah, Rooney, Griezmann, and Thiago Silva. You don't need to worry about them because I bought them. I listed them on the transfer market because I didn't really need them, because they didn't really have any chemistry with them, because Rooney's in thingy. Yeah, you should get it. So all the others I packed apart from Garay and Terry. So okay, so again, my camera actually turned off, so let me just... I've just came off it because I thought I was actually recording still, but then when I looked at my camera, I was just like, are you actually joking? Are you taking a piss? Are you actually taking a piss? Okay, so I'll show you again because you didn't really see it. Okay, so... Wait 2 seconds. There we go. Thiago Silva, Rooney, but Thiago Silva, Griezmann and Rooney I didn't pack. I just packed all the others apart from Terry and Garay. So I'm actually really up. So let's say if you live in like Yaxley or Peterborough or somewhere, all you can do is just like subscribe to me. I'll come around yours and just pack loads of people if you want me to. So yeah, my next page I'll show you guys my next page. I'm not sure if I have though. No, I haven't. I haven't, because my camera cut out as usual. Okay. Oh, okay then. I didn't have anybody on my other page. Okay then, so that's it actually. So thanks for watching. I should be doing another video by next week, or maybe even this week again. So okay, so I'm just gone, yo.